students, a very good morning. Let us start today's session, chapter 5 Money, continuation. The topics are addition on money. Exercise 5.2, Roman letter 1. Add the following rupees. Students, when we want to add the money, we have to add rupees and paise separately. Is it clear? Now see the first problem. 38 rupees 40 paise, 41 rupees 25 paise. Now we are going to add this two values. So 0 plus 5, 5, 4 plus 2, 6. See that paise it's over. Then rupees, 8 plus 1, 9, 3 plus 4, 7. So what is the total value? 79 rupees 65 paise. Is it clear, students? Then fourth problem. It is like 3 digit of addition. Okay. 34 rupees 20 paise, 13 rupees 18 paise, 12 rupees 11 paise. What is the value? 0 plus 8 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. Then rupees, 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9. Then 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. So what is the total value? 59 rupees 49 paise. Students, the second and third problem is a homework for you. Okay. Then add the following rupees. This model is carryover model. Okay. 6 plus first problem, 19 rupees 56 paise, 23 rupees 64 paise. So what is 6 plus 4? 10. So 0 in the down and 1 is carryover. Now 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. So 2 in the down and 1 in the carryover. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. Again 3 in the down and 1 in the carryover. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. So what will be the answer? 43 rupees 20 paise. Then next problem, like with the 3 digit, just add on the paise. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. So 5 in the down, 1 in the carryover. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 6 is 14. So 4 in the down and 1 in the carryover. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 8 is 17. 17 plus 7 is 24. 4 in the down, 2 in the carryover. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. So the answer is 64 rupees 45 paise. Is it clear, students? Yes. Next, word problems. First question. Ilangovan bought a bat for rupees 105 rupees and 15 paise and a ball for rupees 24. How much money did he spend in all? So Ilangovan bought a bat and ball and they have given the amount value for it. Now we are going to find out what is the total money he spent. Let us see now. Answer. Write down the statement. Cost of a bat he bought 105 rupees 15 paise and cost of a ball he bought 24 rupees. Right? Now we are going to find out total money he spent. So just add it, students. The paise, 5 plus 0 is 5. 1 plus 0 is 1. 5 plus 4 is 9. 0 plus 2 is 2. And 1 is, we don't have any value in the hundreds place. So write 1 plus 0, is it 1 only? Okay. So the total money he spent is 129 rupees 15 paise. Is it clear? Next problem. Sadam went to vegetable shop and bought 1 kg of brinjal for 28 rupees 50 paise and 1 kg of lady's finger for rupees 10 rupees 50 paise and 1 kg of pumpkin for rupees 11 rupees 50 paise. Find the total amount he spent in all. Statements. Cost of 1 kg of brinjal and 1 kg of lady's finger and 1 kg of pumpkin. So again we are going to add all the values. So total amount he spent is 0 plus 0, 0, 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15. So 5 in the down and 1 in the carryover. 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1, 10. So 0 in the down and 1 in the carryover. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. So total amount he spent is rupees 50 and 50 paise, or we can say 50 rupees 50 paise. Is it clear, students? Next. Kanmani bought pad and pen for her daughter at the cost of 65 rupees 50 paise and 48 rupees 75 paise. How much money did she pay for the things? So answer. Cost of a pad she bought 65 rupees 50 paise. Cost of a pen she bought 48 rupees 75 paise. Total money she has to pay is, add the paise, 0 plus 5 is 5, 7 plus 5 is 12, 2 in the down and 1 in the carryover. 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 plus 8 is 14. So again 4 in the down and 1 in the carryover. 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 plus 4 is 11. So the total money Kanmani has to pay is 114 rupees 25 paise. Just go through the problem, students. Next. Ramya bought vegetable rice, idli and dosai for rupees 74 rupees 50 paise, 28 rupees 50 paise and 60 rupees 50 paise. Find the total amount he spent in all. So just write down the statements with the values. The total amount he spent: 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0, 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15. Then 1 in the carryover. 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 8 is 13, 13 plus 0, 13. So 1 in the carryover, 3 in the down. 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 6 is 16. So total amount Ramya spent is 163 rupees 50 paise. Is it clear? Next. Subtraction on money. Exercise 5.3. Subtract the following. The first problem, 83 rupees 50 paise, subtract with 24 rupees only. So what to do? Just subtract paise, then subtract rupees. 0 minus 0, 0, 5 minus 0, 5, 3 minus 4. We can't do subtraction, so what to do? We have to get borrow from the number 8. So the before number of 8 is 7. Now 3 has changed into 13. So what is 13 minus 4, students? 9, and 7 minus 2 is 5. So the answer is 59 rupees 50 paise. Next problem, 78 rupees 50 paise and subtract with 69 rupees 50 paise. What is 0 minus 0? 0. 5 minus 5? 0. As we know, the same number is subtracted is 0 only. Then 8 minus 9, we can't do subtraction. So, we are doing borrow with the previous number. 7. So, the before number of 7 is 6. Now, 8 has changed into 18. So, 18 minus 9 is 9. Again, 6 minus 6 is 0. So, the answer is 9 rupees. Is it clear, students? Yes? Next. Cost of a pen from shop A is 7 rupees 50 paise and from shop B is 5 rupees 50 paise. What is the difference? Students, the difference, as we saw the many problems previously, right? If the word difference comes, means we know that we want to do subtraction. Let us see the statements now. Cost of a pen from shop A, 7 rupees 50 paise. Shop B, 5 rupees 50 paise. The difference between two shops is, students, 0 minus 0, 0, 5 minus 5 is 0, 7 minus 5 is 2. So, the difference between two shops is 2 rupees. Is it clear? Very easy problem, right? Next problem.
Mala went to textile shop and had bought chudidar for 58 rupees 70 paise and she gave 100 rupees to the shopkeeper. How much money did the shopkeeper return to Mala? Let us see the answer, students. Amount Mala gave to shopkeeper is equal to 100 rupees. Cost of chudidar she bought is equal to 58 rupees 70 paise. Now we are going to find out what is the balance amount the shopkeeper returned to Mala. Let us see the paise. What is in the ones place? 0 minus 0, 0. Then see the previous number also 0. See the previous number also 0. See the previous number of 0 is 1. So we have to do the borrow. What is the before number of 1? 0. Then see the thousands place. Now the 0 has become now 10. What is the before number of 10? 9. See that hundreds place. 0, strike it out the 0. Now 0 has become 10. What is the before number of 10? 9. Then see the tens place. 0 has become now 10. Then what is 10 minus 7? 3. What is 9 minus 8? 1. 9 minus 5? 4. So the balance amount shopkeeper returned to Mala is equal to 41 rupees 30 paise. Students, this problem is very important. Just go through the problem, students. With this exercise problem gets over. The remaining problems we will see in the next session. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.